Welcome back to the video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your settings. I'm going to click on here to open my settings. After you open up your settings, next thing you need to do is to click on your profile icon. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on account security. That's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on change password. So what you need to do right here, click on forgot password. Once you click on forgot password, select how you want to reset your password. You can either use your phone number or use your email address. So any one of the two options you have access to, use any one of them, and from there you will be sent a link to reset your security password on your Infinix Android phone. It's that simple. For more tutorials like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.